Well, hello everybody, this is aviator9 here, back on board another flight. Today we are going to be playing Unturned. And sorry about the echoing, just some of my friends don't have their headset in, so yeah, sorry about that echoing.
Oi,
So
I have my headset.
I know, but
I turned off my games while my music just to get
so
copyrighted.
that
Alex,
is
no, it's fine.
Potato,
it's not actually
and the guy talking right now is Alex.
It will annoy his video.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right
And
now, I
I'm
don't really
also
want to.
Alex. I'm Alex, and the other one's Alex.
I'm just gonna call you Potato and Alex. I'm aviator9, as you know, probably.
Alex, join.
So
Alex,
today
join a server. Join a server.
So today we are going to be playing Unturned.
No.
Sorry about the
What are you playing?
craziness.
No, because that's how.
We're gonna be playing Unturned
I'm not
today.
doing
Just a new game, just random free game series, I guess. Okay, there we go. Plus 4 experience. I don't know.
recommended that
I've
game.
barely
I'm gonna start a video as well.
ever.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I will be joined by another person who is making a video, which is my friend Aviator. Yeah, I can't speak today. Aviator9. So let me just put some face cam up in here.
I'm the only one who's not recording a video because I can't.
Face cam.
And
And I will just make that a little smaller.
How do you pick up wood?
Today.
That's not working. God.
Press F. Press F.
I know how to. I keep clicking F. It says missing
Alex,
space.
I'm going to join a server.
Oh!
I'm going to join a server, alright?
Oh!
No, because
Run!
you have space in your inventory to pick the wood up.
Yeah, but how do you like drop things? I don't know. I don't know how to check.
You right click them.
No! I died! I died!
Alex, join my server.
Are you kidding me?
Good.
I was mauled by a zombie. Oh no! Respawn. God no. Right click.
My head.
How do you check your inventory? How do you check your inventory?
Someone got killed. Holy crap.
Tell me, how do you check your
Where are
inventory?
you, Alex?
How?
Okay.
On Unturned, how do you check your inventory? Guys?
Press G. Press
G.
G.
Oh, okay.
Oh yeah, I forgot I was recording, guys. Anyway, guys, I'll be joined by Aviator Gamer. No.
Aviator9.
Yeah, Aviator9.
No.
Take one for the team.
You will be missed. You will be missed.
What?
I'm sorry, I down the elevator.
I have to feed the cats. I'm stopping the recording because I have to feed the damn cats.
Okay, bye-bye. What? I can't believe that actually happens.
Alex, I'll be back soon. I'm gonna feed the cats.
I'm dead.
Bang. Bang. Okay, I have some wood now. So, how do I craft?
Oh, it's this level.
What can I craft? How do you craft? Alex, how do I craft?
You can't craft.
Yeah, you can.
You can craft, but you need intelligence.
How do you get intelligence?
Where's everyone else on this map?
How do you get intelligence?
You buy it. Because reasons.
How do you buy it? How do you buy it?
Where are you, Alex? Are you even on this map?
No, Alex went to feed the cats.
Bye. Hasta la vista, stupid zombie.
Potato! Potato.
Throw a grenade.
Potato.
I think I threw like 4.
Potato. How do I... Oh, God. Let's just, like, forget about him, guys. Oh.
Aww. I just dropped. What are you doing standing there like nothing?
Okay, so we're gonna pick all of this up, even though we cannot. G.
You look so stupid just standing there for no reason. Look down here.
Man, it's so hard.
OMG! OM goodness.
Oh, I'm goodness.
What are you doing, Alex? Why are you just standing there?
Because he went to feed the cats.
Well, I'm dead here. I'm just gonna look around.
What?
For a bomb. What?
Wait, is that all? Oh, that's all I can pick up.
Even in the building.
Okay. Potato! Potato! Oh no.
Let's go.
Run.
Go, go, go.
I'm back.
Alex? Yeah, Alex.
Yeah?
How do you craft in Unturned?
How do I craft? How do you craft?
Yeah.
Press Y.
Why? Yeah, but then how do you craft
Where the hell
things?
are you?
But then how do you craft things?
Press Y, and then you have to get the materials,
Yeah.
and then click on the craft button.
Oh, okay. That's easy.
Oh, I get hit
Alex,
by a ball.
where are you? Alex, where are you?
I need rope.
Without you because you were just standing still.
Hey, Cow, come back. I didn't mean to hit you.
Oh yeah, sorry about that.
You're annoying, Cow.
Do you see the problem that computer's causing us?
Oh,
No.
there's a... You've got to get up.
Still completely safe. Why am I in a bathroom?
Oh.
I'm in a bathroom!
This is literally an
Alex, you've got to
army.
get to the...
Yes, I'm trying. I can't get to it.
Get to the top.
Yes,
There we go.
yes.
How do I get to the
The elevator
top?
door's not opening. I flip on. I'll push the button.
Where's an elevator? I don't know where the elevator is.
An elevator. There's
I'm
a
being
door
chased by a
here.
zombie.
It's not open.
Guys, help! I'm being chased by a
don't know
zombie
where the
and I can't
elevator
sprint.
Alex, I don't know where anything
Elephant.
is. You know, I'm just taking one for the team.
Everyone get in.
I'm dead.
In
Thanks.
the elevator. Okay, I'll press the button.
Oh, it's a close one.
Okay, what? Away!
Thanks for leaving. Thanks for leaving without me, Alex.
We're not even in there yet. We're meant
Yes,
to be
you
at
are.
the roof.
Watch out for the zombie.
That our destination?
Oh yeah, by the way, I'm just saying this is a zombie game.
That was our destination. Oh no.
That guy's just standing there. Oh, come on. Nothing.
Bye.
Oh god, he actually is something.
Alex, you're at the
Stop
top.
being
You're
poisoned,
all safe.
please.
No, I'm not.
Also, if you're not at the top,
I'm in
then get
spectator.
to the top.
I'm spectator. I died thanks to you.
Oh, you're dead.
Yeah, I'm dead, and I'm looking at you right now in shame. I can't believe you left me, dude. I went to feed the cat.
Okay, ignore those guys. Just focus on me, okay? Because I'm awesome.
Yeah, it wasn't your job.
I bled to death.
Oh my god, I'm getting
Get up.
That's me clapping, by the way.
I'm going! Fuck you guys! You're
I'm
all
really bad at this, just saying, because I only just got it. You wait until the second episode. Hopefully, I'll have a second episode.
Where is the helicopter?
It should be coming now. It's coming.
Alex, I'm helping you.
Oh yeah, left right combination, guys.
There it is.
Bang bang,
There it is. Let's
bang
go. Let's go.
bang, bang 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 bang
that thing
bang
away.
bang
Take it
bang 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 bang.
Now place one down, because there's zombies coming. Place the thing down. Place the thing down.
Just spamming my mouse.
There's no driver.
Good. What? I just glitched out. Well, I'm dead. Bang, I just died. What the hell? I glitched out of it.
Oh god. Alex, you're having a rage.
No, I didn't. I'm not.
I
But-
survived! Yeah!
Alex, I just fell through the floor.
Punch him.
Okay, I'm assault.
What the hell?
Actually.
Oh, yeah.
I'm not assault, actually.
Took down a zone.
I don't want to be assault.
Can I F it?
I'm technician.
No, I can't F it.
Okay, guys, I'm technician. Alright?
Holy crap!
And I want to leave this guy alone. Why won't you run?
Please wait 6 seconds. Bloody ads. Alex, don't leave me, please.
I'm
No.
standing here protecting your dead body.
Sorry about the chaos language there.
Natalie Brad killed himself. Died.
Alex, you left me again. What the hell?
I'm at the respawn.
How do you get rope? By the way, this annoying noise in the background will not be happening hopefully in the next episode.
Holy God!
Who the bloody hell?
Oh god, this is really hard.
Bang. Whoever the hell threw the incinerator deserves to die.
I'm leaving them alone. That's just quippy, guys. I'm really bad at this game, so don't judge.
Yes, I am. Thanks to the idiot that threw us incendiary grenades.
Yeah, sorry about the noise in the background. Oh, it's a
You
phone.
died, didn't you?
Oh my God!
Oh, I'm alive.
What the hell am I? Damn it! This is not the
I
place.
can't punch it,
I just
no.
killed someone, and now I can't hear anything.
We're roommates together.
This must really hurt.
The cutoff's behind you. Look, the one jumping up and down is your friend.
I can't hear anything. There we go.
Ah! Bam! Bam! Let's get out of here, guys.
Man, you can't even pick up stones.
You punched me in the face.
Okay, I think we should end this episode here because it's kind of getting really, really annoying.
All right.
Thanks. Thanks,
Hello?
you idiot. I hate you.
Get out of here! See if we can kill another. No!
Right then, Alex.
Okay, I think I should end the
not
episode
doing
here
that.
on that note.
I am still
I
your
will be
friend.
coming back
Still.
in the next episode, hopefully with no annoying noise in the background. So, from me, Alex, and
Wait,
Potato Gaming 446, please leave a like if we can hit 2 likes on this video because there was really annoying noise in
Dude,
the
I'm
background.
not annoying. I'm only here.
Likes on the video.
I'm not annoying.
Comment on if what I should do and everything like that. And also, please subscribe because it would be greatly appreciated. I should pump out a video a day this week. That's what I'm aiming for anyway. So, from aviator9, I'm signing out and flying out. I might not do another episode on Unturned. So yeah, from aviator9, I'm signing out and flying out. Bye!